Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion by Stars. In this video I will show you how to achieve green silver eye makeup tutorial. I hope you guys this video is helpful for you. If you enjoy this video then please thumbs up. For more videos please subscribe this channel. I feel so motivated when you guys leave adorable comments, and thank you so much for your appreciation. Please full watch video and stay connected.